The loft in the garage isn't an easy place to reach. What I saw at first was this massive 9-foot door. The original front door from Emily Dickinson's adult lifetime. Going to the far end of that loft and seeing there are about 4 or 5 dozen balusters from the original 19th century staircase that were just so complete a set that there was some real ambition to put those back. The process of research for the restoration project was a long time-consuming research effort. Some of the resources for the restoration go back more than 20 years to historic structure reports for the homestead, some photographs from the early 20th century, letters among family members, even sort of passing mentions of what a room looked like at one moment. Just little things like that accumulate. Closer to the time that we undertook the work itself, we did another physical investigation, a kind of forensic investigation of the house. And that revealed building changes that had been made over time. Marks on window trim, marks on window architraves that suggest the placement of mantels and fireplaces, original paint finishes that had been hidden behind some later architectural change. You could see layers of wallpaper. What we found was, in fact, a significant amount of evidence of what that house looked like in the 19th century. For the first time, we have the majority of the house in a condition that would have been more recognizable to Emily Dickinson herself. The Emily Dickinson Museum has several wonderful features that create a unique learning environment for Amherst College students. These are undergraduates who are studying her poetry and her life in her own home. For some who come to the homestead, they are in some way catching hold of Emily Dickinson's poetry and understanding more of its intent, more of its meaning, how it was created, and the atmosphere that gave it life can be done by connecting with a physical environment. One of our greatest privileges is to be able to convey that sense of Emily Dickinson's everyday life. And it's that interpretation, that sense of authenticity and meaning that we're looking forward to sharing.